The woman member of parliament from the Trinamool Congress, Mahua Mitra, has decided to speak on this issue. She's in fact taken to social media site Twitter and said, and I quote here, Mahua Mitra is slamming the verdict of the Chhattisgarh High Court that has acquitted a man with charges of marital rape. She has taken to social media site Twitter and said, hope this is appealed in the Supreme Court, and even referred to those sitting in India's judiciary as Neanderthals, stating that they need to wake up, and I hope this is appealed in the Supreme Court very soon. I want to go across to our legal correspondent Nalini Sharma, who's been tracking this case. Nalini, clearly this has enraged a lot of women. This has led to discussions and debates as well. But what precisely happened in this case? What is the basis of the verdict that has come in the specific case? Because 377, the unnatural sex, that also has been added against the same man.
Well, Pooja, when this matter came up before the Chhattisgarh High Court, the husband had basically challenged the two charges that were framed against him before the trial court. One of the charges was of marital rape under Section 375, and the other was of unnatural sex, because there was a complaint raised by the wife in this case that there were foreign objects that were inserted into her body. So with respect to that, let's quickly first see what the Chhattisgarh High Court has done. They have upheld the charge of unnatural sex, but at the same time, they've discharged this man, the accused, of the offence of marital rape under Section 375, resorting to exception number 2, stating that marital rape is not recognized as a crime in India. Now, I understand why this judge of the Chhattisgarh High Court is getting a lot of heat from several women activists across the country as well as the general public. But at the same time, what he's essentially done is retreated what the Indian Penal Code already says. So the current position of the law in the country is that marital rape is not recognized as a crime. In fact, under Section 375 that deals with rape, marital rape is given as an exception, that in case this sexual act, even if by force happens between a man or a woman, then in that case it cannot be considered as rape.
Okay.
So the Chhattisgarh High Court judge has essentially reiterated that. So the buck actually stops on the member of parliament.
That's a very important point, and I want to thank Nalini for mentioning that, because remember, yes, there is anger with regard to the verdict. However, the judiciary is primarily quoting what is already in the law. The law is made then by the legislature. They can decide. Judiciary can only take bits from that. However, that is the reason I want to now take you to the next segment.